Good morning, all of you. So, coming to here, in our today's class, we are going to study what is universal indicator and what is the color coding for pH scale. Because color coding is the most important one for pH scale, and what is universal indicator also we are going to study in our today's session. So, coming to the last class, as we have discussed, what is the pH scale and as well as what is the pH values of some common substances. Is it correct? Please respond and be active. So now coming to here in our today's class, we are going to see what is universal indicator and what is the colors of this universal indicator when it is react with the like in the sense of acids, bases, and as well as salts. That is what we are going to discuss. Means color coding for this universal indicators. Now let us come to here. What do you mean by universal indicators? First, we will discuss this one. So if you'll observe here, what is the most common indicator? Can you able to say? What is the most common indicator? Which will tell us if substance is an acid, a base, or anything. What is the common indicator? Anybody? Litmus. Yes, very good. Yes, very good, Kevin. So, the common indicators, if you'll take the common indicators like litmus, if you'll take, so what they will say? They will tell us indicators, they can tell us what? They can tell us what they will tell. Anybody? They will tell us whether the given substance is either an acid or
acidic or basic.
yes or no? So now if you observe, they cannot tell us whether the given substance is a. You only see, you observe the common indicators. It will take, observe very carefully all of you. This is what very important. What is the difference between common indicators as well as universal indicator? They may be asked. That is. So if you take the common indicators, what they will tell? Only they will tell either the given substance is whether it is a acid or base. Is it yes or no? But with the help of common indicators, we people are not getting either the given substance is a strong acid or weak acid, or a strong base or a weak base. Is it yes or no? Please tell me. So, with the help of common indicators, understand, common indicators only gives us either it is acidic medium or basic medium. So, common indicators will not tell, understanding, we cannot or will not, understanding. So, cannot tell us, what they can tell us, cannot tell us either the given substance is, it is a strong, do you understanding, strong or weak acid or base. Do you understanding all of you? Yes or no? Please respond me. So, with the help of common indicators, what we can find? Only we can find either it is a given substance acid or base. But if you observe very carefully, these common indicators will never tell us either it is a strong acid or strong base, or else either it is a weak acid or weak base. So that is the reason we need whenever we are getting some other kind of indicator where according with either it is an acid or base, also we can tell us what is the strength of the acid, what is the strength of the base. That is what you can see. The common indicators cannot tell us the relative strength of the acids and bases. So for example, if we take litmus can tell us only, so suppose for example, if we take sulfuric acid and vinegar, both are acidic, but it cannot tell us that sulfuric acid is more stronger acid than vinegar solution. Is it yes or no? Can you able to say? For example, if we take common indicator, one beaker I will take sulfuric acid, another beaker I used to take vinegar. This is sulfuric acid and another one is what? Vinegar. So vinegar contains which acid? Vinegar contains which acid?
Acetic acid.
What is the name of acetic acid? What is the answer?
Ethanoic acid.
Sir, ethanoic acid.
If I'll take the litmus indicator in the both the solutions, it will show only blue color litmus to red color, blue color litmus to red color. So both the solutions, it is indicating only both the substances are, it is showing what? Only both are acids. Is it yes or no? You have to speak. It is saying that both are acids, but with the help of litmus, we cannot say H2SO4 is stronger acid. H2SO4 is stronger acid or strong acid, and vinegar is called as weak acid. So that is the reason we need one more indicator who can indicate along with either whether it is a given substance is acid or base. Also, it will say the strength of the given substance. Do you understand, all of you? Please tell me, Ra. Yes or no? So, the strength of an acid solution or a base solution by using a special type of indicator. That special type of indicator only is called as what? Anybody? What is that indicator called as? Universal indicator.
Universal indicator.
First MCQ, they may be asked you like this: what is the use of universal indicator? Or else, what is the difference between the common indicators and universal indicators? Anybody? Please note it down. What is the common difference between universal indicator and common indicator? Anybody? You have to tell me. Nobody is saying? If you are not saying, I won't teach you. I am saying it. What is the difference between them? I am asking. What is the difference between common indicator and universal indicator? You also be silent. I also will be silent. Carry on.
Common indicator will tell us about whether the given substance is acid or base, sir. But it will not say whether it is a strong acid or weak base.
Strong acids are weak acid or weak base or strong.
Why you people are all silent? Are you the all dumb fellows? Others and all? I'm asking what is the difference between common acid and common indicators and universal indicators? MCQ you guys will come. Then what you guys will answer? You guys will leave the question. Why are you not answering? Just now I am saying correct. The common indicators only will tell us whether the given acid is given substance.
Acid or
But it will never discuss about the strength of the acid. Or
The strength of the acid or
either
base.
it is a strong acid or weak acid, or either it is a strong base or weak base. But if you use the universal indicator will say both. Either the given substance is an acid or base, or as well as either
Also, it shows the strength of the
Stronger strength
That is
of strong acids and weak acids.
for example, I am saying here. So I have given you two substances, H2SO4 and vinegar. So if you test with a common indicator called as litmus, for example, if you test with the litmus common indicator, so indicator will say both are acids. That's all. Both are acidic in medium. So nothing will say about it. But if you use the universal indicator, it will say H2SO4 is strong acid, and vinegar is weak acid. Do you understand, Ra?
yes, sir.
That is the difference between universal indicator and common indicator. MCQs here, everything is MCQ, but you people are not at all responding. So write it here, point. The common indicators cannot tell us what they cannot tell us. They cannot tell us the
Strong acid or weak base?
Strong acid or strong base, weak base or
strength of the
strong
relative
base.
strength. Please note it down. Relative strengths of acids or bases. So what do you mean by relative strength, Nitinath? Relative strength means what? Either it is strong acid or weak acid, or strong base or weak
Or
base.
strong base or
Called
base.
as relative strength. Relative strength means strong or weak. Understand? Please call to absentees. Tell them to join fast within 5 minutes. That is. So this is what is called as common indicators. So common indicators cannot tell us the relative strength of acids or bases. All of you should involve in the class and you have to respond. Most important MCQs. Understand? That is why we need a special type of indicator which will also give us the strength of the, which will indicates us the strength of how danger the given solution is. That is what we are called as, what we should call universal
indicator.
So universal indicator which works measuring the pH of a solution. That is what you have to remember, not by changing the color of the solution. So the universal indicator will work on the what? By measuring what?
pH.
pH. Understand?
pH value.
pH of a solution. That is what you have to remember. If it is measuring pH value, then which will give you the strength of the acid or strength of the base. Is it yes or no? Last class I have taught you. Correct? That is what you have to remember it, all of you. So now if you'll observe, so to measure the strength of an acid solution or a base solution, we need a special type of indicator. So that indicator is called as what? Universal indicator. So the universal indicator works by measuring the what? pH of a solution. Please write it, all of you. Right. To measure the what? To measure the strength of an acid or base. We need a special type of indicator. Known as
Universal indicator.
Universal indicator. Now here one more MCQ. Let me see who will say. Akshaya, Ashika. What is the working principle of universal indicator? Padmavarshini, Prahasini, anybody you can say. What is the working principle of universal indicator? Very, very important. What is that?
Sir, to find it whether strong acid or weak acid, strong base or
Working principle. How it will be works? It will works on the measuring the pH of a solution. Understanding? That is so working on the what? Measuring the
Of the solution.
pH of the solution.
Working the pH of a solution. Please note it down. This is what the MCQ. Nobody knows. You can ask your friends and all. That is what. But we have to be very thorough in this. There is still 5 members need to join. Make the call fastly. 6 members and tell them join. Jesse, Pranita is not there. Call her. Your friends, check it and call them. Yeah. Why these fellows are not all joining? Okay. Arun Karthikeyan, you understand Arun Karthikeyan? Karthikeyan, are you there in meeting? Karthikeyan is not there. So this is what. Now, let us come to here to obtain an idea of how acidic or basic substance. So universal indicators are using. So how much acidic it is, a true strong acid or weak acid, and we have to know the pH. Based upon the pH only, the strength of hydrogens or else the power of hydrogens, we people will be classified either it is a strong acid or weak acid, or strong base or weak base. Now, let us discuss how understanding. We will prove that a strong acid or weak acid with the help of given, understand, universal indicator. Now, if you'll observe here, a common method of measuring the pH of a given solution in our school laboratory, not outside I'm saying, chemistry laboratory, in our school laboratory is the only method to measure the strength of an acid. The only method is what? With the help of what? Universal indicator. What is that? With the help of universal indicator. Now, if you'll observe, sir, what is the universal indicator? That is what my question now. So, can anybody define what do you mean by universal indicator? Anybody? So now, sir, you are saying our only method in our school laboratory to test the strength of an acid is used to use the universal indicator. So now, what do you mean by universal indicator? Anybody? Do you know? You can tell me. What do you mean by universal indicator? So now, sir, let us, sir, how it will give the strength? It is also based upon the color change only, but with the help of pH value. So observe very carefully. What do you mean by universal indicator means? All of you should remember. What do you mean by universal indicator means? Remember, universal indicator is a mixture of many different indicators. What is that? It is a mixture of
Many different indicators.
Many
it is
different
I'll understand all of you. It is the mixture of. It is a mixture of many different indicators. Many different indicators means in the terms of indicators also we can call it as dyes. What we should call? Or dyes.
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 Dyes. Which gives different color for what? Different pH value. Is it yes or no? Different colors.
Yes, sir.
That is what you have to remember. Different colors at
Different pH.
value.
Different-
That is what. Understanding? Different pH values. pH values of pH scale. Now I will say the color coding also. This is only MCQs. 100 times it is most important for MCQs. Color coding based upon the universal indicator that we will study now. So if you observe here, this is what the universal indicator. What do you mean by universal indicator? Arun Karthikeyan, Varshini Bensi.
Many different
Mixture
indicators.
Mixture of many
Gives
indicators
different colors
or
and
many
different
dyes
Different
which gives different color at different pH values.
Different pH values of pH scale. Have you called to Pranita, Jesse? Others also check it once, please, because they will miss means again they have to be wasting time. That is what. Make inform them just once you call them. Now, if you'll observe here, we'll discuss now. Since the pH of a solution, depending on what is the how the pH value is depends on one parameter. What is that? Anybody? pH scale is working on the principle of what? pH.
pH value.
Somebody
Plus.
said, who
Check
said
the pH
that?
curve.
Pranav?
Yeah.
Who said that? Who said that? Dina?
Karthikeyan.
Karthik?
Karthikeyan.
Okay, very good. Are Dina and Pranav is both are not there in meeting here. Just inform them. Now, let us check it here. As we know that the pH of a solution depends on what, Kevin? pH of a solution depends on the what?
Hydrogen.
Hydrogen ion concentration. Hydrogen ion concentration. So we can also say the universal indicator shows different colors at different concentration of hydrogen ions in the solution. Are you understanding? Because whenever I will say pH value, it is indicating what? Power of hydrogen, or else the concentration of hydrogen. Is it yes or no? So I can say universal indicator will give the different colors. Do you understanding? Which will give different colors at different concentration of, or I can say different concentration of H plus ions. Are you understanding, all of you? Both are same. You understand? That is what, because this is also will come as a MCQs. How, sir? Let us see. For example, they will ask you, what do you mean by universal indicator? Dow, which will gives you the different colors at different pH values, or different colors at a different concentration of OH minus ions, or the different colors at different pH values of both H plus ions and OH minus ions. Then none of the above. What is the correct answer? Anybody? What is the correct
Both.
answer?
Both.
What?
Both, sir. Both.
Both not. Only H plus ions means
Only H plus ion.
that is what you have to remember. Both is not.
Why,
Our-
sir?
Our pH scale is designed only with the help of what? Not regarding OH minus ions. Only designed with the help of what? With the help of what?
H plus ions. Only H plus ions.
Concentration.
H plus ion.
Understand, Padmavarshini? Only H plus ions. Based upon H plus ions only it has been designed. Understand, Nitin? Nitish, Himaira, Ashika, everybody. That is what you have to remember, because now our duty is each and everything we have to see in such a way that MCQ manner. That is what you have to remember. So from this I can say the pH value, the universal indicator will give the different colors not only for pH values. Also I can say that pH value means the concentration of water, concentration of light hydrogen ions in the solution. Understand, Arvind? So,
Yes.
now if you observe here, the color produced by universal indicator is used to find the pH value of acid or base solutions by matching the color with the colors on pH color chart. What is that? pH color chart. Now, I will give you one pH color chart. What is that?
Color
Will
chart.
you what? One pH color chart. Before I
Color
will give pH scale. Now I will give you pH color chart 1,000 times most important than compared to the pH scale. Now, if I will use this universal indicator in a given substance, so based upon the color coding, suppose if it is getting red, then I will go and will check the pH scale chart where the red is there. If the red is there, then deep red, then the pH value is 1. pH value is 1 means the given substance is too acidic, strong acid or weak acid. pH value is 1.
Strong acid, sir.
Strong acid. Strong acid. Strong
That is
acid.
what you have to remember. So basically, now let me see is particular person I will ask you who will say, Janani, can you able to say what is the pH scale range? pH scale range. Last class I have taught you. What is the pH scale range?
14. Sir.
What is the pH scale range? I am asking range means definitely 2 points will be there.
0 to 14.
0.0 to 14.
0 to
0 to
14.
14.
Is it correct or not?
0 to 14. Yes, sir.
Scale range is 0 to 14. Is it correct? Yes or no? That is. Now,
Yes, sir.
color chart, pH color chart, it is varies from 1 to 14. This is also most important MCQs. Understanding? They will ask you, what is the range of pH color chart? 0 to 14, 1 to 14, or 2 to 14, like that something. So by the time, difference you have to be remember. So general pH scale will show what is the pH 0 to 14. All of you should remember. But our pH color chart will give the range of what? 1 to 14. Understand? This is designed based upon the colors and this is designed based upon the H plus ions. But this H plus ions only will give you the particular color. If more H plus ions, one kind of color will give. Next, more OH minus ions, another color will give. So based upon the color coding, this pH color chart has been designed for using for which indicator? Universal indicator. What is that? Universal indicator. So, based upon the color obtained by the given solution, we will compare with the pH color chart and we can decide either it is a strong acid or weak acid, and as well as strong base or
Strong base or weak base.
that is what you have to remember. So, the colors produced by universal indicator is used to find the pH value of the acid or base solution by matching what? By matching the color with the which chart? pH color chart.
pH color chart.
Color chart.
Color chart, and knowing the pH value, we can make out whether the given solution is a strong acid, weak acid, strong base, or a weak base based upon the color coding. Now, the colors produced by universal indicators, let us discuss each and every color is one MCQ. So those who will remember all the MCQ, all the colors of this universal indicator, they will get the good marks in the board exam. Dina, thank you for joining. Still, who is absent? Pranita is absent, and Pranav is absent, and another one who is anybody? Akhil Arfan, good morning, Ra. Now, I'm going to give you the most important thing, that is what the colors of universal indicator. So please, all of you keep heading and start writing. Each and everything now itself you have to learn it. Now itself you have to learn it. Sir, I joined starting. Okay, Dina. Now, Bhumiga, okay. So now let us observe very carefully. We have to be India. We have to learn these colors now. First, shall we start now? First one, pH scale, and you have to remember another side, color. Now, shall we start? Everybody, are you ready? First one.
Yes, sir.
Zero,
Yes, sir.
zero indicate. Actually, the scale will vary from 1 to 2 only, but 0 is also, remember all of you. If it is coming 0, very dark red. What is the color? What is the
Dark red.
The 0 is hydrochloric acid.
red.
Yeah.
as 0. Understand? 0. That is what only colors I am seeing.
Hydrochloric acid.
Next 1, next to 2, next to 3, next to 4, next to 5, 6, 7, 8. Tell me last. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
14.
Now, all the colors I will give you one by one. Please remember. So, what is the first color? What is the first color?
Dark red.
Dark red.
1 and 2, both are red color. 1 and 2, both are what?
Red color.
So, both are red color. That is what you have to remember. Next, third one. Orange, lightly orange is mixed. So, the third one, pH is 3. Then we can say orange red. Not orange, not red. Both are mixed. Do you understand, Ra? Orange red. Now, fourth one you can say, because you have to remember it. What is the fourth one? Orange. Understand?
Orange.
Very
Orange.
important for MCQs. Next, fifth, pH is fifth. Then orange gone, orange red gone, orange came. Next, orange yellow. What is it called?
Orange yellow.
Yellow.
Orange yellow.
Like a peel of a orange. Peel of a orange. Yellow color, correct? Not orange, not yellow. That is orange yellow. Next, 6. pH value is 6. That is orange. Sorry, greenish yellow. What is that?
Yellow.
Greenish yellow. Everybody should remember. Next, pH value of 7. Now, greenish yellow gone, yellow gone. Then what will come? pH value of 7.
Green.
Of 7, green. So that is what you have to remember. So what is the color of neutral substance? pH scale.
Green, sir.
Neutral substance. What is the color? Let me say. We'll say more important MCQ
Green,
question.
sir.
Green. Green.
Neutral substance.
Green,
Because
sir.
yeah, very good. So what is the pH value? pH value is how much?
7.
7.
Huh?
7.
pH value is 7. That is indicating green. Are you understand all of you?
Color.
Clear? So everything. So what is the pH value of what? 0, dark red. pH value 1 to red color. pH value of 3, orange red. pH value of 4, orange.
Orange.
pH value of 5, orange yellow. Understanding? pH value of 5, orange yellow. pH value of 6 what? pH value of 6 what? Orange.
Greenish yellow.
pH value of 7. Here it is not matching. Perfectly write it. pH value of 7. What? pH value of 7 what?
Green.
Green. Understand all of you? That is you have to remember it. pH value of 7 is green. Now, next it will go. pH value of 8. pH value of 8. pH value of 9. pH value of 10, 11, 12, 13.
What
So,
is the pH value of 3, sir?
yeah, I will say. So pH value of 8 is called as greenish blue. What is that?
Greenish blue.
Greenish.
Blue. Understand? Next one. pH value of 9 is blue color. What is that? Blue color.
Blue color.
Next, pH value of 10. It is navy blue. What is that? Navy.
Navy.
Otherwise, you can write now because don't get confused. Next, pH value of 11. It is purple color. What is that? Purple color. Next, pH
Purple
value of 12. pH value of 12. It is dark purple. What is that? Dark purple.
Dark purple.
Next, pH value of 13. pH value of 13 is violet color. What is that? Violet color. Next, pH value of 14. Also violet. Understand?
Violet.
Violet color or dark violet, whatever it is. So this is the color coding of what are universal indicators. So,
Universal indicator.
remember these colors at least last and first means from pH value 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and as well as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it is very easy to remember. You guys can easily remember because in MCQ we don't know which one they will ask you. But 7, middle we should learn. What is the middle exactly 7? 7 indicates what?
Green color.
Green color.
Green.
Remember this is the neutral substance. So I hope easily you guys will learn this. Is it correct, Ra? Definitely one question is going to come in our exam. Understand, Arya? Varsini? Arun Karthikeyan?
Yes, sir.
Definitely
Yes, sir.
one. one color code is going to come in our MCQ exam for every exam. So that please all of you learn this color coding. So pH value is 0, dark red. pH value is 1 and 2, red color. pH value is 3, orange red. pH value of 4, orange. pH value of 5, orange yellow. pH value of 6, greenish yellow. And pH value of 7, green color. pH value of 8, greenish blue. pH value of 9, blue color. pH value of 10, navy blue. pH value of 11,
Purple.
purple color. pH of 12, dark purple. pH of
Dark
13, violet. And pH of 14, also violet color. Any doubt clear? Anybody you can ask. Clear, all of you? Yes or no? Now, I will show you that scale, how the scale will be there. Please, all of you, learn that scale and no need to draw. Actually, you don't have, it is very difficult to draw. So better you take one screenshot of that one and you can remember in our class. Your textbook also there. I think the page number I am not remembering correctly, but you can check in our textbook. It is available. So that is what the universal indicators color coding. Now, this is what the scale. Please, all of you check it. Can you able to see here, all of you? Yes, this is what what is this called as? This is the pH color chart. What is this?
pH color chart.
Color chart of universal indicator. Paper changes with solutions of different pH values. Different pH values. Now you can observe carefully here. Thick red, 0. 0 is not there, but the paper, this is has been from 1 to 14 only. Even more darker, you can say it is the very strong acid. That is what we can represent with what? 0. What is that? 0. Very dark red. Next, red, 1, 2. Light orange red. Next, orange. Yellow. Light greenish yellow. Green. Next one is what? Green after. Greenish blue. Understand? Greenish blue. Next one, blue color. Next one, navy blue. Next one,
Navy blue, purple, correct.
understand? 12, 11,
Dark.
11,
Navy blue.
11,
Dark purple.
purple. 11 one is purple, 12 one is dark purple, and 13, 14, if you'll observe, understand, this is violet color and this is
Violet.
dark violet.
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 Dark violet.
That is what you have to remember it. So this is all about the universal indicator. Now we will continue and we will see what is more in detail about this universal indicator. Now if you observe, are you clear everybody? pH chart, pH scale chart, yes or no? So now if you observe very carefully, the makers of universal indicator, the makers itself, you don't need to create this pH chart and all, color chart and all. So the makers of the universal indicator, they will provide the pH color chart to compare the color produced on the indicator paper on adding acid or base solution and find out its pH value. Do you understand? Please tell me pH value. So what we have to do means, just like litmus, universal indicator can be used either in the form of a solution or in the form of a water indicator paper. So like litmus is available in two methods. What is that? Can you able to say? Litmus indicator is available in
Solution and paper, sir. Solution.
Litmus solution.
and as well as
Litmus paper.
litmus paper. So we have again two litmus papers. It is red litmus and blue litmus.
Litmus.
Yes or no?
Litmus.
If you observe, like litmus, if you take the universal indicator also, universal indicator, also we can use two different methods. What is that? One is by what? Universal indicator solution and as well as universal
Indicator paper.
paper. Understand? Both it is available. Universal indicator paper. So what we have to do? Paper is more easy because you take the universal indicator paper strip, and if you add 1 or 2 drops of a given substance, 1 or 2 drops of water, given substance, we don't know either it is acidic or basic. Now definitely it will change into some color. Is it yes or no? Please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Take the universal indicator paper and if you add some acid or base, we don't know. Understand? Now, suppose if it is changes into light greenish yellow color, what is the pH value? Anybody? Greenish yellow.
8, sir.
6.
Greenish
Oh,
yellow.
8.
Greenish yellow. So greenish yellow means I can say it is belongs to the acid or base. It is belongs to the acid only. Is it a
Acid, sir.
greenish?
Acid.
Greenish yellow means acid, and that is a strong acid or weak acid.
Acid.
Weak acid, sir.
Because pH value, greenish yellow means what is the pH value? pH value is 6. That is what I want. That is what I am expecting from you all. So like this only in exam going to ask. Understand Akhil Arfan? Yes or no?
Sir.
Yes. That is what all of you should understand. Elamati, clear Elamati? So universal.
Yes, sir.
So it is also available like litmus paper and litmus solution, and this they will give you what pH value. Suppose for example, I am saying if they will give you the color of the indicator by adding a drop wise. Understand? If we'll add drop wise, then suppose the color of the indicator is changing into greenish yellow, then you can say it is what a weak acid. The pH value is 6. Like that you can say. Understand all of you? So a drop of
The pH solution also having in solution, sir.
no, we can directly will get suppose, and I am not adding pH value. Suppose see, this is what my, you can add. Suppose see, this is what my universal indicator paper strip. Is it okay, da? Or else I have a given I have a given solution here. Now, two methods you can use. Either you can add few drops of indicator, universal indicator to this given substance. So it will turns into some kind of a color. Is it yes or no, Karthikeyan?
Okay, sir.
Yes. So it will turns into some color. Suppose when I will add universal indicator solution, this is what all of you should tell me. Universal indicator solution. Now, suppose it will turns into purple color. What it is, base or acid? First, you tell me first. Base or
Base,
acid?
sir.
Base.
No.
12, sir.
So purple color is base and as well as the pH value is 12. That's all. So you are finding both, either it is acid or base and as well as strong or weak also. Now 12, it is strong or weak? Strong or weak?
Strong.
Strong.
13, 14 are strong bases. Purinjicha, all of you.
Yes.
Now, I will add, I don't have any kind of universal indicator solution. This is what? Indicator solution, universal indicator solution. Now I have universal indicator paper strip. What is this? Universal indicator strip. Now I will with the help of some kind of thing. What is this called as Ra? With a dropper. Understand Ra? With the help of dropper. Yeah, dropper. If I will add one or two drops of acid. Suppose let me imagine this there where I added the acid. Now, if I'll check after few seconds, the color of this one, the color of this universal indicator is changed. So it will changes into, for example, changes into navy blue. What is the color I have found? It has been changes into navy blue.
That is level, sir. Base, sir.
Yeah, listen first. Navy blue.